This is the blizzard of 2022. Last week of January. Foster, Rhode Island. No school, Foster, Gloucester. In my 2005 Jeep Wrangler TJ. Apologize for the not so perfect video, but the best I can do at this time in these conditions. And I am very unprofessional. We are in low gear. Fourth. I do have a 6-speed manual. So we're in low 4. Heading to the local sawmill. And just got some equipment in these temperatures. You can see there's been no plows on these roads at all, which makes it kind of interesting. You can see a little bit of the road, but these are good. I don't know, I think around 6 inches, give or take, on the road. It's hard to even see the road. Oops, misshift there. The winds are crazy. It's tough holding the camera and shifting and trying to show anything good here, but doing the best I can. I heard even in Florida is like freezing in some parts of California right now too. I enjoy it. I like this weather. We don't get it much anymore. It'd be nice if we did get more like this. We're not used to it. I know this looks kind of boring right here, but I'll try and get this a little bit better once we get to the mill. Only another 30 seconds away. God, can't even see. The visibility is terrible. Look at the wind. I don't know if the camera picks it up too well, but I'm trying to find the driveway. It's crazy. My clutch rod underneath my clutch is loose, so if the pedal kicks back, the clutch rod falls down under the dash over here, and it just did. So I have absolutely no clutch right now. I just had to shift it into second quick, and when I stop this thing, I'll have to just throw it into neutral and get back under the dash, put the clutch rod back in place. Of all times for my boot to knock it off right now. Oh well. Something's always got to go wrong. It wouldn't be normal. This is probably just the first of many things that go wrong, I'm sure. This is the site of where we're building my log cabin too. Building a log cabin here and then disassembling it. And gonna bring it up Maine to my property. Everything's covered. I gotta try and fix my clutch here quick. If I could pull in the building a little bit would be nice, but see what happens. Slap it into neutral quick. Yep, we did it. We did it. Alright, let's get out here for a second. I'll deal with the clutch in a minute. Ugh. Oh yeah, there's some wind coming in here. My Jeep. What if those headlights are flickering? Wow, these winds are nasty. Holy crap. Right through the building. So we do post and beam work here. Well, not we, it's my friend's place, I should say. I just help once in a while with the chiseling. There's a table saw. Self-fed. Oh, there's my log cabin looking right at home here in the winter. little drafty in there, all the windows and the roof on it. I got them stored ready to be shipped to Maine pretty soon. There's my log cabin. It's going to be chinked in the middle with some mortar mix. But yeah, this blizzard is crazy. I'll get back to you in a few minutes so you won't be so bored here. And let me fix my clutch pedal. We're gonna fire up some equipment here. I think maybe the hog, where all the wood chips go through and where all the crap lumber goes through, and the hog here puts it up into sawdust, mulch actually for the horses. All done by hand here. It's all black walnut over there. This is a shipment ready to go. Looks like 2x6s. Alright, let me put this camera away and I'll be back. Fix my clutch rod quick here.